Hey guys, so I'm here at Freedom Fest cooking. It's like 90, here, let's look. 90, it is, 97 as my phone says. Here's my booth, I'll show you. Got my Viva scarves, my necklaces, my other crochet stuff's there, and then my friend Mary Jo's stuff starts here. It goes that way. I'll give you a better tour of the booth later, but anyway, we're watching the Jane Taylor, or Just for Kicks, or I'm not sure who the heck they are, dance troupe right now. And all kinds of stuff going on today. There's food over yonder that I haven't got into. So far I've drank like 50 ounces of water so far. So yeah, I'll let you go until you can hear me. Bye! Alright guys, so more from the festival. We have this thing from the University of Minnesota, the Raptor Center has brought some birds. Let me show you. Right here. This girl here is a red-tailed hawk. And what these guys do is they just, they said this one had a left eye injury, and they basically nurse them back to health, rehabilitate them. And then they have like, they do have scientists and whatever come around and how to breed them, how to take care of them, that kind of thing, at this center here. So that's a red tail. Now I'll move around to this little guy over here. This is a screech owl. He's really tiny. You can see that box. There's the water bowl is like the bottom of a flower plant.
What is that one?
That's a screech owl, and he said it's not the smallest owl in Minnesota either. And that's, it's maybe 6 inches tall is all. Really tiny. Here. This is Adam. He's from the University of Minnesota. He's doing his little gig. You can hear him. But anyway, this is the American bald eagle. And Adam was saying earlier that Minnesota has the largest populations of bald eagles other than Alaska in the United States. And he said there in the 1960s there was 400 mating pairs in the continental United States, and now we have 1,400 mating pairs in the continental, in just Minnesota, I think he said actually. So that's Alex. Now we've got one more. We're gonna go around to this guy. This is a falcon. See if I can get him to look at me. Whoa! Whoa! Somebody scared the falcon. Look at him. Isn't he pretty? I can't remember what he said. This one got shot, I believe. And so they rehabilitated him. I can't remember what they said happened to the bald eagle. I don't remember. This is a pretty bird. I mean, he said these could dive at 200 miles an hour. It's the world's fastest diving bird.
Thank you for coming to the 2012 Freedom Fest.
So anyway, there you go. There's the birds.
Just a minute or two here, we're going to have
little owls in that box over there. Eagle. And the back of that. So, if you want to check out the University of Minnesota Raptor Center, which I think I'm on Zoom. There we go. If you want to check out the University of Minnesota Raptor Center, here's another. I will put a link below, and you can go check out what they do and what they do for the birds. They have other birds that they help. So I'll put a link below to that, and you can go check out the University of Minnesota Raptor Center. Okay, back again. Here we go. Here's my booth. Start over here. Bags, Skanklies, Swiffer covers for those of you who don't want to buy refills, little clutch bags, ponchos, coasters, shoulder bag, bib, there's a ring on there, bib, more coasters, centerpieces, a beach bag. These are little toddler leggings and a bunting. I have 2 colors of those and just leggings and black. I have a hat. I have tons of scrunchies, and necklaces. And of course, my diva scarves. That's on my side of the booth. Then we have my friend who is, oh, we're going to lose a scarf here, Michelle. We have to check that out. And my friend has keychains. We have scrubbies, jewelry. Her daughter makes beautiful, beautiful jewelry. Earrings. This is my friend's handmade sew. And of course her grandbabies, so all the proceeds from her stuff go to. Knitted dish towels. And cards. So there you go, there's my booth, and I'm cooking, so yay! Hey guys, so I'm using my phone. Bright light, bright light. Sure. I have a LED flashlight. See here, I'll show you, see? LED flashlight. Okay. On myself, so you can see me, and Michelle's here. See her, see Michelle. I can't see with your flashlight in front of your face. Where's your head? There you are. There you are. Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Wait, show my puppies.
Oh yeah, she got these puppies today. Yay, puppies, more junk.
Marionettes.
Let's show them the marionettes.
Boy, girl, they're dating.
Anyway, so we're sitting here waiting for the fireworks. I'm going to try to film the fireworks. I'm not sure if it'll film or not, but we'll see. Anyway, see you in a little bit. Okay, so I know you guys on my can hear this, but just a small side note, I used to love playing this song in band. Hello, band nerd. There was one time at band camp, I was rocking the trombone for this song.